A wise chess player once said to me, actually, he didn't say it to me, but he said, you can do, you can be as well prepared as you possibly can, know all of the opening theory, but if you're not prepared to play, then it is all meaningless. And that's why I do my tactics. It's to keep my mind sharp. I have completed my first phase of training, which entails tactics and endgames. I spent a good hour at a coffee place, and now I need to get fully, fully charged with breakfast at the library. I've just finished my time at the library, and man, it was quite enthralling. You see, I had acquired a bomb, and it was just, I feel like it was like destiny. The bomb I acquired was perfectly suited for someone I play in the Denver area. So I'm going to I'm going to unleash this bomb in probably 2 to 3 weeks and disappear back to the Midwest. It's gonna be great. What does the game report say? I probably think that I've scored over 90%. That would be my guess. But my internet is bad and it just does not want to score it. You see, the reason it doesn't want to score it is because it thinks that, oh man, if I score your game and I give you like a 99.7, then I might end up costing chess.com a lot of money because they're probably going to say, oh, you're no Magnus Carlsen, so you probably used a computer engine. And then they're going to kick me out. And then I'm going to say, no, 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 I am not Magnus Carlsen. I was just really well prepared for this game. And I have it all recorded. So you're going to look really bad in court. And then I'm going to get like $100 million like Hans Niemann. Or at least try. All right, let's try that again. See, 98.5.